Greetings! Today I'm opening the very exciting Becauseracecarbox May 2019 edition. Alright, so let's get inside. I say it's exciting because I kind of know what's in it already. And I can't wait to share it with you guys, so here we go. Woo! Oh yeah. So first up, as usual, you get a cool little card. This time with a McLaren Senna. Absolutely epic hypercar pick. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And then on the back, it explains what all the bits and bobs are and how to use them, which is always very useful. Got a couple of little accessories. Not one, but two epically cool air fresheners. If you're a fan of Fast and Furious, you'll know exactly what this is. Bottle of NOS, and then a piston. Look at those bad boys. Don't know what flavor they are, but I'm sure they smell awesome. The NOS one says, warning, this smell will put you in a good mood. I am sure it will. So, yeah, awesome. Awesome to get two of these. Okay, so I'm gonna just jump straight in because I see the items right here, and this little card explains, yeah, it has all the instructions for use, which are extensive. So in this box, in the May 2019 box, you get AutoGlanz P1 Light ceramic coating. Not only do you get that, but you get this, the SP1 ceramic top coat, the ultra hydrophobic top coat. So these items are really the reason why this box is so epic. This stuff alone, it costs like over 30 quid, and you get this and all this other stuff that we haven't even got to, for way less than that. So this box is super duper epic value. So yeah, I mean, to get a ceramic coating, a full size ceramic coating, and then the ceramic top coat as well, is absolutely epic. So I'll just read what it says on here. A highly durable, ultra hydrophobic, high gloss ceramic paintwork coating designed to be easy to use in less than ideal conditions. Perfect for the home user who demands the best. Absolutely epic. And then the ceramic top coat, the SP1, also from AutoGlanz. A durable, ultra hydrophobic sacrificial coating for use on ceramic coatings, formulated to provide extra protection and durability to your LSP. Awesome. So kind of think of this as making the ceramic coating last even longer. So I believe this P1 Light ceramic coating lasts for about a year. Whenever you top it up and look after it with the SP1 ceramic top coat, it could last perhaps 2 to 3 years. So this is an epic combination. And yeah, like I said, full on instructions, so you can't go wrong. So also then, in here, let me just find it. Woohoo! Packing peanuts. So we get this piece of foam, right? And then we get this cloth. Now, this is actually to go along with the ceramic coating. So you wrap this around this, and then you apply the ceramic coating to the cloth, and then this is what you use to apply. So not only do you get the stuff, but you get the applicator as well. Like, you're really getting looked after epically well in this Becauseracecarbox. And we're not even finished. Get these packing peanuts out of the way. So then we have Auto Perfect Car Care Interior Pro Fabric and Leather Protection. So there we go. So that's that there. So this is epic because it's 2-in-1 protection. So you can like seal and protect your leather and fabric, so you don't have to mess around with two separate products. It's a convenient little spray bottle. There's quite a lot in there. You'll easily get your entire interior done with this, and that is just awesome. Because everyone thinks of detailing, they think of their exterior. Don't neglect the interior. I did a whole video a while back on interior detailing, and it took me a very long time to get everything done, but it was really awesome and really worth it. So this is a great little handy little product to have. The perfect final finish to the interior of anyone's car. Interior Pro is our advanced textile and surface coating that forms a semi-permanent protective barrier on all textiles, including coated leathers. It uses a non-volatile water-based system that dries to form an invisible and fully breathable coating that chemically bonds to treated surfaces. After application, everyday spillages simply bead up on treated surfaces, helping to prevent stains from forming and enabling easy wipe up. This would have been awesome that time that I spilled coffee in my Fiesta ST and got a right out stain on the fabric part of the seat. I eventually got it out, but if I had have had this, it would have made it much easier to clean up. So yeah, this is an awesome product. Don't neglect the interior of your car. It is well worth doing. Okay, last but not least, from 4K Detail, we have Infinity. Now this is a polish, and it is what they describe as a hybrid polish. And what that means is that it has the polishing compound, but also it has some carnauba wax content. So it's like another two-way kind of thing, polish and protect. So let's see what it says in this tiny little writing on the side, if I can read it. A highly durable hybrid polish with added advanced technologies, ensuring extreme performance. Infinity enhances your paintwork's clarity and depth of color. Mixed with a combination of carnauba wax, Infinity will also seal and protect paintwork from any unwanted contamination, also ensuring extreme water behavior and an exceptional wet gloss finish. So yeah, I mean, it's really cool. It's kind of a bit similar in a way to AutoGlanz Triple, although it's, I suppose it'd be more like double. But it's a really handy product. You know, if you don't have a whole lot of time, you can get out there, you can polish, get rid of some swirl marks, add some protection, all in one quick, easy step. And your car is pretty much guaranteed to look awesome afterwards. One thing to note though is, if you're gonna polish your car before you use your AutoGlanz ceramic coating, I would not recommend you use this. And the reason is because of the carnauba content. The carnauba content will make this not bond properly to the paintwork. If you're gonna polish, you need to use a polish that is just a polishing compound on its own to prepare the surface for the ceramic coating. This is a great product, I am absolutely sure, but these two things, not really compatible, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, there we go. That is the May 2019 Becauseracecarbox, and I'm sure you will agree, the contents are absolutely awesome this month. It's easily worth way more than what you pay for it, whether you have a subscription or whether you just buy it as a one-off box. It's absolutely epic, such good value. And if you do decide to get one, whether it is a subscription or a one-off box, you can get 10% off if you use code ADAM. I'll flash it up on the screen. So yeah, this is awesome. I can't wait to get using some of this. I have a car in mind that I'm going to use this on, and of course this. So yeah, I hope you like all this stuff. I hope you like this little video. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.